Alright, so football cake. We got our helmet right there. It's made of Rice Krispie treat, formed into a helmet. It's a little rough. Hopefully we can clean it up, make it look pretty good. We're using fondant. My son goes to Montauk, thus the big giant M. We also have some icing that we're going to put his number on the top of it when we're done. This cake is 3 layers. We have on the bottom layer a strawberry cake with fondant lettering and stitching for our lines. And as you can see there, we have the 20-yard line, 30-yard line, 40-yard line, 50-yard line. Above it we have 2 layers of cake. One is confetti cake and the other is red velvet with vanilla frosting holding them together. Chocolate frosting all over it, and the white fondant stitching for the football itself, for the football layer. So we're going to take the helmet and stick it on top, position it so it's in line with the 50-yard line, and then we are going to get our number and finish it off. Alright, there we have it. The finished cake. Get a full panoramic view here. And now all we need is the teenagers to eat it. Hope you enjoy.